Your Android phone might work fine, but if Google Assistant isn't responding, you can't use voice commands or quick help. Most users get stuck not knowing the real fix. This usually happens due to disabled settings or software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Assistant not working on Android. Let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Allow microphone. First, go to the Settings app on your Android phone. Then scroll down, find the Security and Privacy section, tap on it. Now find the Permissions section. Tap on it. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the microphone. Here you will find the Google app. Tap on it. Now make sure to select Allow. Solution 2. Turn on Google Assistant on lock screen. Go to the Settings app again, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down again, find the Search, Assistant, and Voice. Tap on it. Now, here you will find the Google Assistant option. Tap on it, then tap on Lock Screen. Now toggle on the Google Assistant features on the lock screen. Solution 3. Reset the Google Assistant. Go to the Settings app once again, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down again. Find the Search, Assistant, and Voice. Tap on it. Now here you will find the Google Assistant option. Tap on it. This time, tap on Voice Match. Next, tap Delete Voice Match Model. Then tap Remove. Now toggle on the Hey Google. Then tap More. Again tap More. Then tap I agree. Again tap More. And again. Then tap I agree again. After that, tap Next. And your Hey Google is ready. Hope it works by now. So folks, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.